Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today we're going to restore our headlights on the 2008 Honda Odyssey. As you can see, these headlights are pretty foggy and hazy. The stuff does not come off. Even buffing with my finger there. So we're going to give this kit a shot by Sylvania and see if it works. Inside the kit we have our handy dandy instruction manual, 2 different cloths, a glove, some clarifying compound, sandpaper, tape, and surface activator, and a UV block. Alright, after reading this, first off we have to tape the perimeter around the headlight. I'm going to be showing you the driver's side, and I'll show you the final results at the end. And now we're going to start sanding with the 400 grit sandpaper. First we're going to just fold in half so we have part for the right and part for the left. Wet the surface. And we're going to go in circular motion. Alright, let's take a sneak peek to see what the 400 grit did. Now it's nice and smooth and ready for its next grit, 1000. This also says go in circular motions and medium force for 5 minutes. Or medium pressure.
Like LeBron though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller.
Alright, let's see our progress here.
You can't touch me, now can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you. What you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through. Drink it up, enjoy the view. MVP, got my crew. Nike on my shoes. Might be sipping booze, slightly feeling loose. If I want it, then I have it. Got a nice wrist, causing damage, just like I planned it. I'll be damn rich. Have a chef in the back, make a sandwich. Oh, she got it all, I just want it all, baby, we could ball, you just gotta fall, I could be your man, paying for your time. I'm your biggest fan, and you said this your jam, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living like white, like I'm Walter. She always told me I never call her. Oh yeah, I'm living this life like I roll up in a coupe, up in a Chevy. I'ma hit it in the back if she let me.
While it's drying,
and take your time, baby, getting ready. I want you looking fine, looking
check the instructions, see what's our next step.
I be got no
Clarifying compound.
So I told her she could kick it, but I said she could.
And our white cloth says apply
I could go all day.
a quarter size.
I'ma stay ballin' like it's my driveway. I'ma go all in.
Again, 5 minutes. Looks like 5 minutes is her number.
Day, turn it to my day. Oh, she love me. Sipping bubbly, champagne, cocaine, kiss and hug me. It ain't nothing, dropping money. Okay, all day, getting lucky. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living like white, like I'm Walter.
Okay, finished with using the compound. I mean, it's hot here. Next,
catch me in the studio.
Reapply the surface activator for 30 seconds. And then it says remove protective tape.
While I'm looking for
it looks sexier with the tape on.
Wanna get at me. Now she's texting me. Yeah, she's testing me. I just let it be.
And then thoroughly clean this with water.
Welcome to the team. Oh, yeah. I deal in bulk like I'm Costco.
Alright, and our last step is to apply the UV block clear coat. According to the instructions, it says with our blue provided towel, place the corner inside the bottle, and let it absorb about half an inch. More there.
Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller.
And the first application from left to right, and then top to bottom. Even strokes. And the thicker the better.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?